So I'm here to tell you why SSL doesn't understand today's music. Is that a fact? No, it isn't. It's an opinion. Is it my opinion then? No, it isn't. Apparently, it's my computer's. More precisely, it's Google's opinion, apparently. This is a short video, but it's a warning, because if you don't make videos, you might not know this is happening. Let me show you and tell you why this is a problem. So there's a whole section on YouTube just for creators, and it's called YouTube Studio. That's where you can see analytics and everything about the videos that you publish. There's a tab that's called Inspirations. And it's basically, inspirations about the videos that you could make. Fair enough. So what are inspirations? They're keywords maybe that are trending, or topics. No, they're full-blown videos with script and a hook and everything, and even a thumbnail, although, I mean, I'm still way behind on that. Of course, I wouldn't blame you for thinking, are you using it for this very video? No, I'm not. If anything, I would like this channel to go against this trend. I want to see things, and I want to bring you along and show you what I see, what I feel, what I hear, what I learn. I want to help you form your own opinion on things, and maybe show you my opinion. Sure, why not? In fact, I genuinely believe that with your support, I could give you real value, not keywords and trending stuff and viral stuff, but stuff that you would actually like. I think I can do that. So if you want to see good stuff and you want to help, please subscribe, and I promise I will do my best so that you never regret that. Now, why do I think this is such a big problem? Because this is not YouTube suggesting facts and topics to talk about. They're suggesting opinions. We are in the era of artificial opinions. I mean, is the legendary SSL console still relevant in today's music landscape? We explore how the evolution of music production might have left this iconic piece of gear behind. Like, what? The legendary SSL console? What console? Which SSL console are we talking about? But that's the intriguing question. Then the provocative statement is, forget what you think you know about SSL. The modern music scene demands more than just classic techniques, and this console might be struggling to keep up. What does that mean? Classic techniques? I don't... Humorous observation. You wouldn't use a typewriter to write a novel, would you? The way we make music today has changed, and SSL might be stuck in the past. I don't know, when I read that, to me it feels like it's asking me a little bit like, is this any good? What do you think? Is it good? And already the internet is full of opinions from people that haven't really tried stuff, they haven't really thought about stuff much, but they're just regurgitating what they've heard online. You know who's really good at regurgitating what's already online? Artificial intelligence. And so there's already a bunch of terms that are being used over and over just because they're trendy at this point. And I think people say them because they feel like that will make them look like they know what they're talking about. I mean, don't get me started on like warmth and clarity. What is up with those words? Can we just stop using clarity and warmth? They don't actually really mean anything. But imagine now warmth and clarity being everywhere on the internet. Everybody's repeating those words, so ChatGPT, Gemini, AI is going to scrape the internet and find all those keywords and just regurgitate these things. But it also turns them into opinions, and then it tells YouTubers, this is what you should say. And so now you've got humans with opinions that are not even their opinions, but given by AI, telling you their opinions, but you don't know that that's not their opinion. And so I wanted to show you, because if you don't make videos, if you don't use YouTube Studio, you don't necessarily know that this is happening. And people say that AI doesn't have feelings, it has no emotions, and I think that is debatable, but what clearly it has is opinions. And they're not based on experience, they're not based on listening and feeling and hearing stuff, because that's not what large language models do. It's just based on other opinions that it's found somewhere. So yeah, I just wanted to say, if you're a creator, please use this wisely. If you're a viewer, beware, this is coming. It's already here.